All parties Hurriyat Conference has called for complete shutdown in occupied Kashmir on July 8th on the 7th martyrdom anniversary of the prominent youth resistance leader Burhan Wani, who along with his colleagues sacrificed his life for the just cause of right to self-determination. Burhan Wani, along with two associates, was martyred by the Indian troops in a fake encounter in Kokarnag area of Islamabad district on July 8, 2016. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif on Tuesday called for a joint action by the member states of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization to condemn all forms of terrorism, including state terrorism. In his virtual address to the 23rd meeting of the SCO Council of Heads of the States without naming the Kashmir dispute, he emphasized adhering to the resolutions of the UN Security Council to settle the issues before it's too late. Indian Supreme Court has listed the hearing of the writ petition regarding the immediate assembly elections in occupied Jammu and Kashmir on Thursday, July 6. The petition filed by the former minister and advocate Harshdev Singh sought the court's intervention in restoring the democratic process in the territory. Regional political parties including National Conference and the People's Democratic Party, while declaring that the Modi regime's August 5, 2019 move to abrogate the Article 370 was illegal, have expressed the hope that the Indian Supreme Court will declare the revocation of the occupied Jammu and Kashmir special status null and void in one go during the hearing of the pleas on July 11th. New Delhi-based Rights and Risk Analysis Group has said that the only imposition of President's rule in Manipur and effective rehabilitation of the displaced people would help to initiate the peace process as the state is witnessing ethnic violence. Ladakh Tourist Trade Alliance, an umbrella body of the various trade, tourism, religious and political organizations in Leh, has announced to launch a non-cooperation movement after July 15th against the Indian business tycoons intending to capture the tourism industry in Ladakh. The organization further cautioned the outsiders to cease funding projects in Ladakh after July 15, as no partnership or construction will be allowed after this time. A special police officer committed suicide in Katwa district in occupied Kashmir. The SPO, identified as Avinash Sharma, committed suicide by shooting himself with his service rifle on duty at the post in Hiranagar area of the district. 28-year-old Muslim laborer succumbed to his injuries sustained during his police custody in a village in Indian state of the Uttar Pradesh. The family members of the deceased, Sajid Abbasi, accused the local police in UP district of the custodial torture.